Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Atlas. In this episode, we will be talking about a quick update on AMC and some things that you should keep in mind. Also, keep in mind that because of my name, I also talk about cryptocurrency on this channel. I do have a series of videos talking about AMC, so if you want to see more on this and keeping up to date with everything, then make sure you guys do hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like button. It definitely helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm, and click the bell icon so that you know whenever we have a new video. Feel free to share the video if you find this video to be helpful. I am not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you guys to go out and do your own research. Let's go ahead and dive into this. So AMC stock closed out on the daily for Monday at $55.69, down about 6%. We were seeing a lot of other stocks taking similar hits as well, but some major news did come out, which we'll be talking about in just a second here. The short interest rate actually went up 4% in the pre-market. Still waiting to find out some more updates on this in regards from Ortex. I don't have that back access, just so you guys are aware, but I do keep up to date with what's going on with their Twitter. So yeah, it was up 4%, which is absolutely crazy. We got 13.64% of the free float. So really high. What does that mean? Well, basically that means that the short hasn't really taken place yet. The gamma squeeze hasn't really taken place yet. And we are still waiting for that major push, that big catalyst. And we may actually have something that could be that catalyst to really drive that price and hit a home run and just absolutely go full on parabolic to the moon, right? Okay, so here we go. This is NSCC 2021-002. It has been approved. What is this thing? Okay, so this, in short, is about coming down and cracking down on these different people that are taking these large positions for shorting and making sure that margin calls get taken place much more often. So this has been something that was previously proposed and it got delayed by a lawyer for a hedge fund group. So the fact that it's now been approved means that we are in those final stages of some major changes taking place that work in our favor as the retail investors and really cracks down on these hedge funds and everybody else that's doing all these shorting things. They're going to be looking at them basically with a comb on a daily basis and making sure that, hey, everything is lining up correctly with your amount of shorts positions that you have, the amount of money that you have to cover, and with everything that's going on. And if they have to be forced to be margin called, they will be forced to be margin called. So this has been approved, but there's been some speculation. People are saying, well, this doesn't really take effect until Wednesday. But then there's other people that are talking about this and are saying, hey, it could take a bit longer. So a separate article posted on the AMC stock subreddit says they need to spread awareness on this so apes don't end up feeling underwhelmed. Firstly, this ruling needs to be published in the Federal Register first before being effective immediately. That could be tomorrow or take up to a week. Also, there's the T+10 rule that hedgies could use to drag out the margin calls for another 2 weeks or so. Don't expect anything immediately. Yes, this is big and a ginormous step in the right direction, but it takes time to start seeing the results. Be patient. We've got this. Okay, so we could see it take a little bit longer than what people really are expecting. So if it doesn't happen by a Wednesday, don't be surprised, guys. We've been making massive gains, and if you take just like zoom out on the chart here, literally, for AMC stock, as they say, and you guys can see just a couple weeks ago, it was all the way down around $13. We're up at $55. We're doing really good. Be proud of where we've gotten to so far, right? Wait, did I change anything? I think it's just because it zoomed out. We have 67,308 shares that are in the money. These are calls. Sorry, not shares. These are 67,308,000 calls that are in the money. 600,000 shares available to borrow. You got about a little over 2 million ETF shares that are available to borrow as well. But the ability to borrow against something like AMC stock is getting harder and harder and harder. Crazy stuff going on with the dark pool. My previous video that I talked about, this was just under 500 million shares for its position. Well, now it's over 500 million, 518 million. So we've seen approximately 20 million more shares being moved around within the dark pool. That is insane. This stuff is getting really dangerous really quickly, and these guys they're throwing their Hail Marys like some other people are talking about it with it. So be careful with everything, guys. The whole market could potentially tank after this. This could be something of absolutely epic, historic proportions. And I hope that we all succeed with this together. I'm a part of this movement. Things need to change. It's time. And so, let's see how things continue to progress. Keep your emotions calm, level-headed. Don't stress about this too much. It's a process. Never invest more than what you're willing to lose, because anything could technically happen with this. Okay, guys? Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I do have referral links in the description if you guys want to check those out. I got referral links for cryptocurrencies and for stocks, and it's a nice way you can help show your support for the channel. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about everything that's going on. Feel free to share this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button, and I will see you guys in the next episode.